Oh my God, guys, it's amazing. It's $100 here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm crypto trader and analyst. And today I'm going to show you how you can get free crypto with just a few clicks. I have tried a lot of ways to get free crypto in the last few weeks, and most of them don't work. But today I will show you how you can get $100 in just 15 seconds. It will be very easy. Just follow my instructions. For start, we need to sign up. All right, I will log in. Then our real mail, gmail.com, and create a strong password. It must be strong, guys. And repeat our password and capture. And create account. Yeah, we have successfully created a new account. As you can see, it was very easy, guys. And let's use our promo code. Paste it, it's right here. I will leave promo code in the pinned comment and redeem. And we have successfully activated our promo code. And now we have 100 USDT. And we can withdraw it in our wallet. Click withdraw. Select tier C20. I use tier C20. It's very fast and has low fees. And now go to our wallet. Copy address just right here. Then we go back and paste it right here. Amount all and click withdraw. And this verification payment required. To fully complete this process, you need to make a test payment in any currency. So guys, if you see this message, it's totally normal. You just make test payment once. Click on start verification. And select a coin. I select Tether, tier C20, proceed, and it's only $50. Copy address and go to our wallet. Click send. Paste it, it's right here. And amount 51 and 2. And confirm. And we go back and please I have paid. I wait a few seconds. And as you can see, guys, now our account is verified. Yeah, it's also absolutely easy to verify on Confusion. And so let's click withdraw again, select tier C20, then again copy address of our wallet and paste it. It's right here, amount all, and click withdraw. Withdrawal session fully complete. Perfect, guys. Well, let's wait about 1 minute. Oh my God, guys, I can't believe it. That's really works. We've got 100 USDT, just a few clicks. For you guys, I will leave the link to the Confusion below in the pinned comment. From you, a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.